There is something magical about the smell of banana chocolate bread baking in the oven. It instantly makes the whole house feel warm, cozy, and full of. If you have overripe bananas sitting on your counter, don't throw them away. Turn them into this delicious homemade banana chocolate bread and enjoy a bakery style treat right at home. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite homemade recipes. It's soft, moist, rich in chocolate, and naturally sweetened with ripe bananas. The best part, it's incredibly easy to make, even if you're a beginner. I have taken two bananas, then mashed it, then I take eggs. I take here four eggs, full eggs, then I will beat it, mix it properly, nicely, and evenly. Look at the beautiful color. Now I'll add some vanilla flavor and 2 to 4 teaspoons of sugar as per your taste and mix properly, then half cup of oil or you can add butter. I have taken 2 cups of all purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. I'll mix it properly. Then I'll mix the dried ingredients with the banana mixture by sieving. You must strain this so it will come to a beautiful mixture. Now I'll mix this slightly. Don't over mix. I will mix this face by face. Look, this is so beautiful. Then I will add half cup of buttermilk. Then I will mix this gently. Fold in this way. Look, this is my mixture. Then I will add handful of chocolate chips. If you like chocolate chips, you can add more. Then I will pour it into my baking tray. Then tap it gently and bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 to 50 minutes until it's baked properly. Look how beautiful this is. Look, my knife came it clear. Now I'll slice it for you. Before slicing, cool it. Oh wow, it's so golden, so yummy, so crispy outside and soft inside. You can enjoy it with tea or coffee or with a slice of butter. Enjoy your baking.